Switzerland is one of the richest countries in the world, but it has no oil, no empire. Nothing that should make it this rich. In fact, by all logic, it shouldn't be. And yet, the average person here is worth over $687,000. So what's going on here? What is Switzerland doing that the rest of the world isn't? Because this isn't just about banks, and it's not just about money. The real reason Switzerland is so rich is something most countries simply can't copy. And by the end of this video, you'll understand the one advantage Switzerland has that quietly makes it one of the richest countries on Earth, and why almost no other country can replicate it.
In the heart of Europe, Switzerland is landlocked. It has no natural resources, and a population smaller than most cities. Yet it consistently ranks among the richest nations in the world. The nation enjoys exceptionally high salaries. It maintains a remarkably powerful currency, and one of the highest standards of living on the planet. So how did it pull this off? Most people think the answer is simple: Swiss banks. And yes, banking played a huge role. For decades, Switzerland became the safest place on Earth to store money. Political stability, strong laws, and historically, strict banking secrecy. Wealth from all over the world flowed in. But here's what most people get wrong. Switzerland didn't just store money. It learned how to manage it better than almost anyone else. Investments, asset management, global finance. Switzerland turned money into a system that constantly generates more money. But banking alone doesn't explain everything.
The real foundation of Swiss wealth is something far less visible: stability. No sudden political shifts, no economic chaos, no extreme policy changes. And for investors, that's priceless. Because when you're moving billions, you don't chase risk, you avoid it. That's why during global crises, money doesn't leave Switzerland, it flows in. The Swiss franc is considered a safe haven currency, which means the worse the world gets, the stronger Switzerland often becomes. But there's one decision Switzerland made centuries ago that changed everything. Switzerland has been neutral for over 200 years. It stayed out of world wars, avoided global conflicts, and refused to take sides. That might sound like a passive stance, but economically, it's incredibly powerful. This is because neutrality builds deep global trust. Countries trust Switzerland with their money. Companies trust it with their operations, and global organizations choose it as a base. Geneva became one of the world's diplomatic capitals for a reason. While others were fighting wars, Switzerland was building wealth. But even that isn't the full story. Switzerland doesn't try to be the biggest. It focuses on being the most valuable. Instead of mass production, it dominates in precision. From life-saving pharmaceuticals to high-precision engineering, world-renowned luxury goods, and cutting-edge advanced technology. These are industries where quality matters more than quantity. And that means higher profits with fewer resources. But even this isn't the real secret. The real reason Switzerland is so rich is trust. Not just in banks, not just in government, but across the entire system. People trust institutions, businesses trust the rules, safe streets for families, and a future that global investors truly trust. And that creates something incredibly rare: predictability. And in a world full of uncertainty, predictability is one of the most valuable assets on Earth. That's the advantage most countries can't copy. Because trust takes generations to build, and seconds to destroy. Switzerland has one more secret weapon most countries can't copy: direct democracy. Citizens don't just vote every few years. They can actually challenge any law and propose new ones through referendums. This system forces politicians to listen. It prevents crazy policy swings. And it keeps taxes relatively low while delivering excellent public services. On top of that, Switzerland invests heavily in its people. World-class universities like ETH Zurich, a unique dual education system that combines classroom learning with real on-the-job training. The result? A hyper-skilled workforce and non-stop innovation. Switzerland has been ranked the most innovative country in the world for over a decade. Pharma giants, precision technology, and breakthrough research all thrive here because the system rewards long-term thinking instead of short-term political games. Switzerland didn't become rich by accident. It became rich by being the one place the world could rely on. And in today's world, that might be the ultimate advantage. Subscribe for more videos like this.